For this slow
You
zoom
shall be the
on the top part,
sacrifice.
I didn't really like it. It doesn't help with the build-up of the joke, so instead of a slow zoom, I want to give it a quick zoom, a snappy zoom, or a fast zoom. First, I need to take out the old zoom, so I'm going to take out the end keyframe. Click on this, and it follows whatever was on my first keyframe, but I want to get rid of this one too, so get rid of that. So where do I add my fast zoom?
You shall be the sacrifice.
I want it to be on the hya, or when she drops the penguin. So it's around here. So it's the same concept as a slow zoom. So you have your starting frame and keyframe. So for this one though, I'm going to have, starting keyframe here, 1, 2, and then ending keyframes. So the zoom goes fast because I only have 2 frames in between. So if I do this one as 3.5, align it a bit. Then if we play,
You shall be the sacrifice.
so I think that's better. The slow
You shall
zoom,
be the sacrifice.
that's the build up. Then that's the punch of the joke. Oops, not sacrificed.